All right, we are in week 3. Good job. You are over the hump. You're over the hard part for the most part, right? So here's what happens in week 3. Your energy goes through the roof. You've got a newfound energy that you're not going to know what to do with. But here's what I'm going to tell you. Find something to do with it. Take advantage of this newfound energy. And it's all natural, right? This is what a healthy lifestyle feels like, guys. So get used to it. Remember what this feels like, but be productive. Go to work. Get some projects done. If you haven't been active over the last 2 weeks, well, now's the time to start getting active. Join the gym or do some free workouts online. Go take a yoga class, go for a walk, go for a hike. Get active. Start moving your body if you haven't already done so. That's part of a healthy lifestyle that also helps with digestion. I don't know, do like a project around the house. There's got to be a home improvement project that you've been looking on. Clean out a closet, declutter some drawers. Take advantage of this energy. Don't just take this and go sit on the couch and be a couch potato. Use the energy to your advantage. You're going to love how productive you are and how freeing that energy can be for you. You're also going to feel less bloated throughout this week. Like that's all going to start to really subside. You're going to start to feel lighter, right? You're going to really start to feel like, okay, this is what April was talking about. I'm starting to see it. But at the same time, you're starting to get really bored and over this whole thing. Like you're in week 3, you're done. I'm so over this, right? I can hear it already. I can hear you through the computer. So here's what I want to tell you. If you've been eating chicken and asparagus and scrambled eggs for breakfast for the last 2 weeks, well, you're bored. Of course you're going to be bored. So start adding in some variety into your meals, right? Look for the different recipes that are posted in the group. Add spices and herbs to your dishes in order to add different types of flavors. Salsa is a great way to add some spice into it. You can use it on your salad as a salad dressing. You can put it over chicken. Instead of just plain avocado, make that into a delicious guacamole, right? So that you've got some variety that you can play with, so that you don't get that food boredom that could knock you off track. You've come too far. So to let just boring old food knock you off track. So add some variety and stick with it. You are almost there. You're in week 3. Congratulations. I can't wait to hear how you're feeling this week.